So I've got a 97 328i, and I want to show you how to get into the trunk when your trunk will not open and without having to drill. So after I remove the back seats, in these you can see that there's solid metal here. It's hard to go through. Well, there's one hole right here behind this flap. I actually just pushed it through. And I used an extension of 42 inches. Now, in order to see what I was doing, if I lift up this little flap here, there's a rubber piece that holds some wires. So I actually was able to lift this up and look through there with a flashlight, that hole, while maneuvering the extension to get to the two 10mm bolts that are located right here at the base of the latch. What I also did was I duct tape all the ends together so I wouldn't lose any pieces. And I got a not a super heavy duty swivel, but if you get one of those swivels that just really fall around, you're really going to be frustrated. You might want to tape up that end a little bit so it doesn't flop as much. And I just moved it around to where I got onto the 10mm bolts on each side, and then just used the ratchet on the other end to loosen them and pull them all the way out. Now, when they come out, I had to grab the trunk and just kind of keep pulling up on it. A lot of times this piece will fall sideways and be able to just lift right out. And that would be in a perfect world, but in reality, what's going to happen is this piece of plastic will eventually just break as you're just yanking up on it because it's really thin and probably dried out. So when you go to yank on it, it'll lift this and break this piece. But again, then you'll be able to get into your trunk and then go through the parts up into this spot here where all the plastic pieces are that connect it together. So just an idea. Again, a 42-inch extension, 10mm, actually worked. All right, thank you.